What's up everybody, MKBHD here. Mobile gaming has exploded, it's bigger than ever. We're talking console quality experiences in the palms of our hands. But to really dominate, you need the right hardware. Enter the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro. This tablet is a game changer. It's a sleek and powerful beast. Tablets are becoming the go-to for mobile gaming. Why? Bigger screens mean more immersive gameplay. Plus the processors can handle demanding titles. No more lag or frame drops. The Pad 6S Pro takes this to the next level. Buckle up because we're about to dive deep. Under the hood, the Pad 6S Pro packs some serious power. It's rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This chip is a beast. It can handle even the most demanding games with ease. No more lag, no more stutter, just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. But it's not just about raw power. The Pad 6S Pro is optimized for gaming. Xiaomi's software is smooth and responsive. And the battery life? Let's just say you'll be gaming for hours on end. No need to worry about your tablet dying mid-match. The Pad 6S Pro keeps up with you no matter how long you play. Speaking of gaming, let's talk about some of the amazing titles you can enjoy on this beast. Genshin Impact, one of the most popular open-world RPGs, runs flawlessly. The vast landscapes and stunning visuals come to life on the Pad 6S Pro's display, and the gameplay? Silky smooth. Call of Duty mobile fans rejoice. The Pad 6S Pro delivers a console-like experience. The high refresh rate display and responsive touch controls give you a competitive edge. And with the tablet's powerful processor, you can crank up the graphics settings to the max. Get ready for some epic multiplayer battles. Now let's talk accessories, because to truly level up your mobile gaming you need the right gear. First up, a Bluetooth controller. This is a game changer for serious gamers. The tactile feedback and precise controls take your gameplay to the next level. No more fumbling with on-screen buttons. You'll be racking up those kills and high scores in no time. Next, a protective case. Accidents happen, especially when you're gaming on the go. A good case will protect your investment from bumps, drops, and scratches. And let's be real, it also adds a touch of style. There are tons of cases out there, so you can find one that fits your personality. And finally, the MVP of any mobile gaming setup, a high-capacity portable power bank. Because let's face it, intense gaming sessions drain your battery. A power bank keeps you in the game even when you're nowhere near an outlet. Look for one with fast charging capability so you can get back to gaming ASAP. Alright, now that you've got the hardware and accessories, let's optimize your settings for the ultimate gaming experience. First up, the refresh rate. Crank it up to the max. This will make your games look and feel incredibly smooth. You won't believe your eyes. Next, enable performance mode. This tells the tablet to prioritize gaming performance, giving you that extra edge. It's like activating beast mode for your device. And of course, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Lag is the enemy of any gamer, so a stable connection is crucial. But the optimization doesn't stop there. Most games allow you to fine-tune the graphics settings. Experiment with different options to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and performance. And don't forget to check for in-game updates. Developers are constantly releasing patches and improvements, so staying up to date is key. So there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro is more than just a tablet. It's a gaming powerhouse. With its sleek design, powerful processor, and stunning display, it's the ultimate device for mobile gaming. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and dominate. Peace out.